Well, at least you don't throw up lying on your back anymore.
Well, I'm a grown-up now.
Dude, I can't remember what we used to call that one. Can you believe it? Liquid rainbow.
You're not even close.
Ah, dude, damn. What was it?
Vesuvius, Matt.
Oh, that's it. I knew that.
Man, what's gotten into Sally?
Did you give her the engagement ring?
Oh, damn it, the ring! Man, what would I do without you? I love you. How did you know I had a ring for her?
Well, this is a wedding shower, so I just assumed.
Yeah, true. Hey, you're not gonna believe how I got this ring.
Go on. I'll try and act surprised.
Okay, come here, bro.
Oh, stop right there. Don't make me puke too.
Yeah, I know how you roll. 1, no hugs. 2, no sharing. 3, no talking to strangers.
Ah, damn it. Everything's turning out exactly like the last time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Vesuvius Matt is up and about again. Follow me, Randal, and don't lose me, cause this night's gonna be legendary.
Hey, just wait a second, buddy. This is yours, isn't it? Tuesday! Yes! Finally! Man, you certainly took your time, you son of a bitch. Hey, good morning, Matt. I see you found the cereal, huh? You know, I'm glad you got your appetite back. Yesterday you hardly touched a thing at all. I was starting to run out of ideas on how to get you to eat something.
Yes?
Hey, did you fix the TV?
Yeah, well, all I had to do was get a couple of batteries and reconnect some bar wires.
Classic.
By the way, do you know anything about your roommate?
Well,
Do you think he'd mind if I stayed in his room for a couple of days?
I don't think he'll mind. Last time I saw him, he was in jail.
Wow. What did he do?
Honestly, I don't know, and I couldn't care less. So, how are you? I mean, after what happened to Sally and all.
Well, I guess I'm doing okay. Extra sugary cereal helps, you know.
Sure.
And, well, it's been 2 days since she sacrificed herself, and all I've been doing since then is popping Vicodin.
I'm really sorry, man.
Fuck, man. I really wanted to marry her.
I know, buddy. And she really wanted to marry you, too.
Then why did she disintegrate herself?
I don't think she did it on purpose. You know, technically spontaneous combustion is an involuntary act. At least that's what people say.
What people? Doctor Who?
I know it sounds weird, but those forensic investigators are pretty good.
I know. I just can't get used to the idea. I'm gonna miss her so much.
Me too. And you know what? Fuck it. We have enough beer and chips to survive for at least a couple of days. Let's not move our asses off this couch for a while.
Don't you have work?
If I go to work today, I'm gonna get fired anyway. So, how about the Sopranos marathon, huh?
You know me, man. As long as there's beer.
Yeah, I do know you, but, you've taken a lot of pills today. I don't know if that's such a good idea.
I've been mixing beer with downers since Sunday, and I feel great.
Are you sure?
Well, now that you mention it, maybe I'm just a little confused, but your roommate's room looks like it's from a horror game.
Besides, I think last night I saw the wing of this hairy fat guy statue moving. Am I nuts or what?
Relax, you're not going nuts.
Whew, well, that's a relief, I gotta say.
By the way, what did you do with the ring?
I left it over there somewhere. Just take care of it for me, okay? I don't want to ever see that thing again.
Okay, let's find a place where we don't ever have to see it again.
I wish I could change what happened. Although I don't exactly know what happened.
Just drop it, Matt. There's nothing we can do about it. If there's anything we learned from Marty McFly, it's that altering the past only brings trouble.
You bet.
Nothing happens out of coincidence. Everybody is part of a grand plan. And most of the time, following that plan only leads to misery and misfortune, suffering and fatalities. Does that mean you'll never be ready to make the right choices?
Wait a second. Is that it? Is this the ending? I don't believe this. Well, believe it. They're all in the credits.
But what kind of ending is that? They kill the girl and then they all live happily ever after?
Well, they're not that happy. Excuse me, but one of them just started dancing.
And what about the pigeon? Since when do pigeons steal jewels?
Whatever. I liked it. That only goes to show that you have terrible taste.
Even famine agrees.
Oh, come on. You only understand him when it suits your interests.
And what about that Sergeant Kramer? Wasn't he the nemesis? Why did they just leave him out of the Empire?
That's obvious. To be able to kill the girl. She was evil right from the start.
No way, that ring seduced her.
That seems a bit of a wrong for someone who wasn't really evil. A dramatic plot twist. So what?
Dramatic plot twist? I thought this was a comedy. You know, there's something fishy about all this. Pestilence, did someone slip you a bribe or something?
Oh, come on. What are you saying? That's just crazy. So, on another note, what's for dinner today?